Welcome to tutorial on how to cook biryani. Biryani is a delicious and flavorful dish that is popular in many parts of the world. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make a delicious biryani that will be sure to impress your friends and family. Let's get started. Ingredients. The first step is to gather all the ingredients you will need. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 cup of yogurt, 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro leaves, and 1/2 cup of chopped mint leaves. Instructions. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's start cooking. First, heat the oil and ghee in a large pot over medium heat. Add the cloves, cardamom pods, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick and fry for a few seconds. Then add the chopped onion and fry until it is golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and turmeric powder and fry for a few more seconds. Then add the chopped tomato and green chili and fry until the tomato is soft. Now add the basmati rice and fry for a few minutes. Then add the yogurt and mix well. Add 2 cups of water and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and cook for 15 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Finally, add the chopped cilantro and mint leaves and mix well. Serve the biryani hot with your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy!